We have a visual. Target confirmed at 1,500 meters.
It is in rough shape, but the structural integrity is holding.
There is a masterpiece hidden beneath this salt. Be patient.
Every millimeter must return to its original state. From the bottom of the ocean to this. Incredible.
We did not just fix it, we gave it back its soul.
On to the next discovery.
Now, it had used evidence at all.
It is a twin. They were shipping a pair.
Look at these scans. We are going back down for the second one.
I will prepare a specialized bath. This one has more mineral calcification. We must match the original alloys exactly.
It is like looking at a ghost and its living reflection. Two pieces of history brought back from the abyss. Something is moving at the site. The seabed is shifting.
If the hull collapses, we lose the rest of the manifest.
The structural failure is accelerating. We have hours, not days.
We must change the lift points. The original chassis cannot take the pressure.
The cable is at 90% capacity. It is now or never. We got the last of it. The site is gone now.
Time to start again.
She is the last of her kind. We saved her just in time.
The chassis is twisted 5 degrees. It is going to be a long night.
Look at that. The steel underneath is pristine.
My father told me these cars were legends. I never thought I would touch one.
And that is the heartbeat.
Hear that roar? Perfect synchronization. We did it.
Align them to the millimeter. They need to look like they never left the showroom.
The abyss gave them back. Now the world can see them.
They can hardly believe these were at the bottom of the Atlantic. We had to stabilize the hull before the ROV could even enter the hold. The metal remembers its shape. You just have to remind it gently.
The gala was nice, but this is where the real work happens.
So this one is in the Pacific. It is older, more fragile. For the older ones, we will need more than just force. We need finesse.
Let us go find what else the ocean is hiding.
Descending to 1500. Visibility is low, but the signal is strong.
It is a wood and steel hybrid. If we use standard cables, it will snap like a dry twig.
We need a custom cradle, something that distributes the weight across the entire frame.
Tension is holding. Let us send it down.
Slow and steady. We do not want any decompression damage to that wood.
Now we wait. The resin must replace the salt water in every fiber.
This is not just a car anymore. It is a time capsule.
She is ready for the world, perhaps for the last time.
Transport platform is moving. Maintain current speed and divert to Bay 6. Confirm receipt.
This space was built for moments like this.
My hands may age, but this will stay young forever.
Everything is green. Open the main doors in 5 minutes.
We did well, Master Craftsman. We did well.
There are more out there. Let's find them.
Base to salvage 1. We have a seismic event at the primary wreck coordinates.
The shelf is giving way. If that ship slides, the remaining artifacts are gone forever.
We only have one shot at this before the silt swallows the entry point.
There it is. But if we pull that girder, the whole deck might come down.
Apply 20% upward thrust We need to slide it, not lift it.
We are clear. The site is gone. But we have the manifest.
The ocean gave us one last gift. Let's make it count.
The seal is intact. Whatever is inside hasn't seen the light of day in a century.
It is a prototype. This changes everything we knew about the manifest.
We don't just restore cars, Master Craftsman. We restore the dreams that built them.
Tomorrow, we begin the real work.